Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a student visa to study in Guyana. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened Immigration and Support Services of Government of Guyana, that is under Ministry of Home Affairs. So you can see here that they have links. So if I click on student visa, so it takes that here all supporting documents that are not in English must be submitted along with an English translation. Processing time 3 weeks, and this is in Guyanese dollar 15125. Okay, right. The situation where an applicant is okay, that's fine. What type of visa? Student multiple entry visa or extension of stay. The few fields are mandatory. This is very simple, and some fields are not, but I would suggest write everything that you can because there's no point in hiding. Okay. Contact details, phone, email address, family details, passport details, stay details, qualification details. Have you been tested for sales? All other questions. Now, documents. What are the mandatory documents? Birth certificate, school acceptance letter, passport photo. There are some others which are not mandatory. I would say attach all of them if you can. Institution details and at the end you need to certify after you finish filling out, and you can click on submit, and then it goes through from there. So that's how it works, guys. So if granted, you can go over there, and if you have any question, you can shoot out to them. And if it is granted, they will let you know the further process, and from there you can pick it up. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.